15 Most Enjoyable Things to Do in India in Your 20s. India is a vast, diverse, challenging and constantly surprising country. It is uniquely qualified to help you broaden your world as well as figure out your true nature. Here is our list of the 15 most enjoyable things to do in India while in your 20s. Scuba diving in Andaman. The Andaman Islands, located off the coast of mainland India, are among India's most rewarding yet underrated tourist destinations. One of India's best scuba diving locations, this is the perfect destination if you are seeking to immerse in nature. Camp in Kasol. Kasol is among the most pristine, picturesque villages you can find in India. One of the most popular backpacking sites in India. Kasol is a must-visit destination for young adventurers in the country. Bhang, a drink of cannabis leaves. Although cannabis use is illegal in India, except when sold as bhang, a drink of ground cannabis leaves mixed with milk and a variety of spices, during festive season. The holy town of Varanasi is particularly known for its bhang culture, so make sure you get your glass full when here. Paragliding. Paragliding is a popular adventure sport. In India it has grown from humble beginnings to a mainstream adventure experience, one that everyone wants to try in their 20s. Walk the Living Root Bridge. This living root bridges are among the country's most stunning natural wonders. Made by knotting the living roots of local rubber trees across streams, these beautiful bridges have been used by the local people for almost 2 centuries. Cherrapunji is among your best options to catch a glimpse of or even try walking on these bridges. Zyro Music Festival. Set in remote Zyro Valley, this popular multi-genre music festival is a vibrant celebration of not just music, but also youth. In the company of young and energetic crowds, and surrounded by paddy fields, with snow-capped peaks and silhouettes of forests framing the background, you can't possibly feel more young, wild or alive than when at Zyro. Go surfing in Tamil Nadu. The state of Tamil Nadu has quite a few surfing spots that have mostly remained a local secret. Manapad Point in Kulaskarapatnam is truly one of the best surfing experiences you can have in the country. Formed by thousands of years of lava deposits, the point is uniquely beautiful. Visit some ancient temples. India is home to countless ancient temples of various religious affiliations, Hindu, Jain, Buddhist and more. Visiting any of these can be a defining experience, particularly when you are younger. Maharashtra's Ellora cave temples dating to the 10th century and earlier is always a good option. Stand-up comedy clubs. India's stand-up comedy scene is, for the most part, very young, mostly run by artists in their 20s and 30s. Make sure to visit one of the city's comedy clubs for a truly relatable dose of humor shared with a crowd your age. Thieves' markets. Bazaar hopping is always among the most exciting things you can do in Indian cities. Where you can find all sorts of antiques and eccentric items, are inherent in most large cities' market cultures. Drop by Mumbai's historic Thieves' Market to get a sense of how wild these can be. Visit Malana Village. Home of India's best-known hashish, Malana cream. This ancient village just an hour from Kasol is a fabulous destination to visit for many reasons. Malana is known for managing to seclude itself from outsiders just about as much as it is known for its cannabis. If you'd like to set yourself up for a spook, there's no better place to visit than India's most haunted site, in Rajasthan. A 16th century fort that has been the base of all sorts of legends and rumors. This creepy abandoned fort is only available for visits during daytime, since even the government is convinced if it's spooky enough to ban visitors post-sunset. Go camping in Thar Desert. Also known as the Great Indian Desert, Rajasthan's Thar Desert is an exceptionally stunning stretch of terrain that demands to be explored. It also happens to make an excellent location for a truly memorable and immersive camping experience. End your year at Sunburn. Asia's largest electronic music festival is a 3-day event usually held at the very end of the year. This is one large celebration of music flooded with 20-year-olds. Started in 2007 as a 3-day music festival in Goa, Sunburn has grown to become an aspirational lifestyle brand boasting an eclectic mix of music, entertainment, experiences and celebration. Go trekking in Spiti Valley. This cold desert mountain valley is a unique trekking destination, yet one that has stayed mostly off the tourist radar. This picturesque valley town is surrounded by arid mountains and adorned with stunning glacial lakes.